We'll now cover Kit, which used to once be called ConvertKit. In terms of pricing tiers, there is a free tier, which is the newsletter tier. You can manage up to 10,000 subscribers with basic features, and the creator plan, which gives you some advanced tools based on the number of subscribers, and then Creator Pro with all of the features based on subscribers. Kit allows for unlimited email sends without additional costs. Features will give specific access based on your subscriber level, and ConvertKit is considered to be appropriate for affiliate marketing. And as is the case with all autoresponders, you are going to want to make sure that your definition of affiliate marketing meets theirs. Kit does offer tagging and segmentation. That means you can target your messages across multiple lists. And because email sending is unlimited, you will want to watch to determine if ConvertKit moves toward metered email sending. Higher tier plans do give you the ability to allow a delegate to manage your account. And there are a number of direct integration options within ConvertKit, as well as being able to connect to third-party cloud-based connector Zapier. So if there is an application in the cloud or otherwise, you will generally be able to connect to Kit, which used to be called ConvertKit. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.